Hi, my name is Ari Judeman and I am here with Circa Abroad in Athens. I'm doing the Cultural Arts and Heritage Internship and I'm actually doing it as part of my gap year. So I'm not part of university right now, but I am putting in my applications to study art history. And what I've learned here has definitely helped me kind of start learning more, help bolster my resume, help bolster my applications. And yeah, I've been having a really amazing time. I've been here in the antique shop, which has been so much fun. And then I've also been learning marble sculpting, which has been so cool and neat. And I just love all the people that I've met here. Everyone has been so amazing. And I love the city, absolutely just in love with it, and I'm so sad to be leaving, but I've had the best time here and couldn't recommend it more.